this spot sucks, mate.
Woohoo! Here Gary's getting the squid, and I'm getting the cuttlefish. There's cuttlefish. Oh, look at shit. That's all right. Hey, someone's gonna be happy.
Fresh bait.
We got some meat. I got on a lure. Look at that, eh? I don't know if you can.
How'd that taste?
Fishy.
Fishy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a legal rock.
Look at that. Little snap. Oh, bring it down. Yeah,
There's a little
bring
one.
it. You found the nursery.
Yeah. Yes.
There we go. Beautiful, Bracey. Finally.
Nicky.
Look at that. That's what we're looking for.
Catchy.
Look at that.
Big white
Nice.
thing.
Whiting. Hey?
The whole process is just fantastic. The air to catching some fish today, don't you?
Good morning, everybody. Well, it's nice in here, but when we get out there, I think it's going to be a bit different. So we're out again today, and it's blowing southwest. So we're going to go and chase some calamari, some whiting, and whatever else we can catch. So yeah, we'll take you out there with us, see how you're going. Thanks again, guys, for watching us. We really appreciate it. Without you guys, we wouldn't have a show. So keep sharing it around, keep subscribing, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Hey, Gary.
Oh, this spot sucks, mate.
It's a little cephalopod.
Woohoo! That's a snack.
Brand new one.
I'll show you the jig, but it's going to find me another one. There you go. It's not big, but you know, it counts.
Well, it's a bit of meat. Hey, Gary, how's your squid day go, mate?
So far, it's not too bad. The jig's just to get paid for himself.
Yeah, just about. And that's what I get. That's me. But easy, buddy. Easy. Cuttlefish. So some people like them. They're very sweet, especially that size. So yeah, so we're fishing over here. This is called Good Beach. It's a little township, and we've got a few squid. So that's good. And we'll see what else we're gonna get. So here's hoping. Well, Gary, I just got another cuttlefish, mate. That's take it out of the water so it stops, you know. Yeah, you know, because otherwise, you know what happens, don't you? Huh?
Give it a shake before it
No, you anyway, I can't say that. Another one. So I'm getting cuttlefish. Here Gary's getting the squid. And I'm getting the cuttlefish. Look. There's cuttlefish. Very yummy.
back, eh?
I think you're an idiot. I'm not throwing it back. Alright guys, next one. So we've moved from going from calamari to now we're going to go whiting fishing and have a look so we get some whiting. There is changed now to whiting rig. This little location here, just up against the rocks, out of the wind sort of thing. We give that a go. Minn Kota's going. That's the beauty about Minn Kota. Really good anchor, really. That's the water we're fishing in, you know, good whiting ground sort of thing. So we'll try it for a bit, and if not, we'll move on. It's a bit what it's like, you know, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 there sort of thing. We'll just move to another place, but what I thought I'd do is I'll show you, this is like the sort of rig Gary uses. Just a little sinker, couple of little hooks there, Penobscot rig, just pretty simple. And I've got about the same for the moment, but I'm going to change in a sec. But last night Gary went out late last night and he got a couple little fresh prawns. These are little prawns, fresh prawns that we can catch just in the shallows around here. And we got the cuttlefish, little canners. So Gary's using the fresh, so we got fresh prawns, fresh cuttlefish, and now Gary's using the fresh squid. So all fresh bait.
See how that goes.
That's it, all fresh bait, all locally caught. So it's just fresh. So we got fresh little prawns, fresh cuttlefish, and now he's using the calamari. So yeah, see how we go. So we're doing everything we can. So wish us luck. Look.
Fresh bait, mate. See what happens.
Fresh bait, eh? See? What do you got, Gary? First whiting. Oh, look at shit. That's all right. Hey. Someone's going to be happy.
Fresh bait.
That's what we call lucky. Lucky. That's it. We're getting there. Yes. We got some meat. Look at that. Nice fresh specimen. Hey.
37, 38.
Yeah, that'll do. We'll take that. And it's in 18.4 metres of water. That's where we are. We're sort of just coming along this spot and it just dropped off a little bit. So we thought, oh, we'll give it a go. And we weren't having much luck inshore. So here we are. KGs. Almost mission accomplished, Gary. What do you got there, Gary? Oh, little flathead. Hey, g'day little fella.
Pretty fish.
Nice specimen. What sort of flathead is that?
2 spot. It's It's a free swimming flathead. Going on.
All right, mate.
You've tried something different, mate.
I got it on a lure. Look at that, eh? So it's called a Catchy Catchy. It's Berkeley, I think. It's made by Berkeley. It's got some really minute hooks. I mean, this guy's too little. He's going to go back. But just an example, Gary's using bait. I'm using a jig. And it worked. So
Catchy,
they
catchy.
got little dangly things, and I don't know. Seems to work. There you go. Oh, Berkeley, yeah. It's a 40 grammer, by the way. Bit rough out here, so I got 40 grams. So I don't know if you can.
How'd that taste?
Fishy.
Fishy.
Hang on a second. I just want to show you that. Look at the size of these hooks. I mean, look. Let's see how small they are. Now, I had to let my drag very light, because if you have them have the drag too tight.
It's only just in the corner of the job.
See, just there. The other one's in, all right, but that's just like that. No, probably go that way. See, just like that.
Tell you what, you had 2 hooks in there. There's no way it was coming off.
No, but you know what I mean? Like if you have a heavy drag on that, it'll just rip out. So, real little hooks on this lure. So, yeah. I don't know. We'll see if we get a trifecta.
Give it a crack.
See. Anyway, up until then it was quiet, really. So yeah, it's quiet.
Just starting to come on. Good fish.
Yeah, there we go. All right.
In the tub.
So this is called motion of the ocean method. This is really catchy. And I'm going to see. I'm not going to touch it, and that's what motion of the ocean method is. I don't think it's a stingray because it's too small to be a stingray, but it's big.
It's got weight.
Yeah, it's definitely got weight. I don't know what's going on here, but those little hooks.
They're very sharp.
They're pretty sharp because they're getting the stingray. Feels like it might
Could be a 3 metre flatty.
I tell you what, if it is, it'll be a happy day. This stingray, I think. But I was just making leeway on him. Normally you can't do that with stingrays, so I don't know.
Fiddler shark, maybe?
I don't know. That's one thing about fishing, you just don't know where you're going to get it.
It's like a box of chocolates.
But this little lure is pretty good.
You catchy this.
I don't want to lose it because it's like $30. But
Mickey gone overboard.
wow, plenty of power when it wants to have it. You might be right, Gary. Again.
Oh, I know, you caught it.
I mean, this is a lot of pressure. Those little hooks, I've got to give it to them. That's, you know, wonder why they're worth $15. This is a big fish, stingray, whatever. And I've caught big flathead. They've done the same sort of thing, but probably not as strong. Well, no, I don't know.
It's a nice bend in the rod anyway. The line's whistling.
Yeah?
Might be a little eagle ray.
Look at that.
You catchy him, alright. This is
Around.
going to be a bit tricky to get him off, but
Yeah.
see if we can save the hooks.
There you go. Little eagle ray.
Even they can't resist.
Thanks, buddy. There you go. There's a pair of cockheads that, you know, we don't mind sharing our spots and stuff, but these guys here just went past and they pinpointed the spot, cheeky pricks, and then they've gone past us, and then, you know, I mean, that's just like not really fishing etiquette. You know, what a bunch of fucking fuckwits. What? Good on ya. Hope your boat doesn't fucking sink. Piece of shit. You know, I mean, seriously, don't you reckon?
Oh yeah.
I mean, how fucking rude is that? Not even 10 metres. Not even 10 metres. You know, I mean, what if we had an anchor out? You know, fucking idiot. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this little catchy thing that I just picked up by accident. Now we just hooked up to some sand whiting. So, sandies. Gary reckons they're pretty scrumptious, and yeah. So we'll see if I can get an action shot here. Let's go.
Plenty of bites.
But-
I wasn't really expecting it. The hook size is a bit more set for KGs than Sandy's.
Yeah, there we go.
They're down there. It's just a bit of a struggle to get them on the hook.
That's it. Little Queenie. No, cousin. No. Oh, we're all both wrong. Little snap. Oh, bit of excitement.
Catchy's coming again, Mick. Breaksea cod.
No,
Harlequin.
I reckon it might be a little snap, like the one you just got before.
I think it's a little bit bigger than my snap.
Here it comes, Queenie. No, yeah,
It's a little Queenie.
We found the nursery.
Yeah.
But
Pretty fish.
beautiful looking fish. I've had a saltwater aquarium, I tell you.
Look at that.
Catchy does it again. That's, we found the nursery. Now,
There you gave you a good hit. Just woke up.
Hey, Gaz. You got something to wake you up, mate?
I think I'm in trouble if it straightens out these little whiting hooks. Aye.
Well,
Might be a break sea cod. It's
You
not
reckon?
really doing much, but takes off every now and again.
might be area for it. Well, see what we're going to get. What do you got?
Break sea cod.
Brexy cod. Yes. There we go. Beautiful Brexy. Hey? Nice. On whiting hooks. Oh, and you got your bait back. Hang on.
Woo!
Hang on. Where's your bait gone?
I don't think that's mine if it's a bit of squid. It fell through on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
That might have been yours on the last catch.
Yeah.
Catch. I've still got my bit of squid. He took the fish and prawn on the bottom.
Look at that. Nice colour. Must be coral down there.
Come on.
Beautiful. Little
On the
whiting
whiting
hook. Yeah. It's good, eh?
Something
Catch a lot of fish like that. All right, next one. Finally.
Nicky!
Look
Catchy,
at that.
catchy.
That's what we're looking for.
Catchy, catchy.
Look at that.
Big white
Nice.
bang.
Whiting. Hey?
Good
We're
one.
about 42, 43, something like that. Anyway,
Around there.
about 40 anyway. Doesn't matter. I'll use the catchy again. So,
He said yum.
so anyway, there you go. Beautiful whiting. Thank you.
Thumbs up.
Love it.
Not chucking that back.
What do you got, Gaz?
Flathead for all I
You
know.
reckon? Ooh. Haven't caught one of those today.
Nah, it's just
Oh,
a big king
it's
wrasse.
a big king wrasse. That's a big wrasse.
That's a big wrasse.
You got a big wrasse.
Seen my biggest wrasse?
That's your biggest wrasse. To me, it looks like you got a raccoon. That's what it looks like.
Big one, like that
Yeah.
big fella you got?
Yeah,
Came back for seconds and thirds.
I think so. That's what you got, I reckon.
Just sleep on it.
Maybe a big KG. There's a big KG. Oh, what's that? Breaksea cod.
Breaks it
Look at the size of that. Get him in there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Lovely fish, Gary Butler,
We'll
the
take it
Gaz
for
man.
a big raccoon.
Look at that. Huh. That is what you call scrumptious luscious, mate. That is awesome. That's going to be it for today. That's a wonderful fish. Oh, so we have got a good feed today. Look at that. That's just awesome. And it's so good to be able to get out, do a show. It's not so bad today. There's no one around. I don't know why, but it's just not no one around. It's the day before the new year. So look at that. Just got him by the hook. Look at that. Just right on the side of the mouth.
Right, the gob.
Yeah, whiting hook again. So it's amazing. We found this little bit of ground, just travelled over it, bang. Said, oh, I'll give it a go, and it's been really great. So anyway, guys, that's it for us. We're going to head off home and do the rest of the thing. So thanks for watching again. Really appreciate it. Take care, and until next time, stay safe and happy fishing. Goodbye from me, and
Goodbye from him.
that's it.